Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an email lead capture form into one of your SamCart pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want an email lead capture form in your page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather emails and your customer data, and by adding an email capture form into your pages is an easy way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a lead form into one of your pages, here on the left side, you're going to click on pages. Once you do that, you're going to see all the pages you have on SamCart. So go ahead and just choose the page that you want to add the email lead capture form to. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you click there, it's going to bring you into the page editor in SamCart. You can see my page right here. And as you can see, the pages are split up into sections. So we have section 1, section 2, section 3. So first you want to kind of scroll down to wherever you want the email lead capture form. So for me, maybe I want it underneath these tacos. So that's going to be underneath section 3. Next, what we're going to do is on the left right here, you can see it split up in those same sections, 1, 2, and 3. So if I want this to go below section 3, just kind of keep that in mind. So we have a couple of different options. The first is we can go ahead and just add it right into section 3. So all we're going to do is just kind of click on the section and then click on the very bottom of the section box. And then you're going to see that kind of little blue line that shows up right here. You can see it underneath embed. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to click on the plus icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and just scroll down until you see this line right here, lead capture form. Okay, now you can see it added right into the lead capture form for that section. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hover over the lead capture form and then click on edit. Okay, so now we can go ahead and edit this email lead capture form. So what information do you want to gather? So for me, I'm going to do email and phone number, and I'm going to put the name as required as well. And then here on the button, instead of saying submit, I'm going to say maybe get your taco recipe. Okay, and then here, this is important. After submitting your email lead capture form, where are they going to go? Do you just want like a thank you text? You can do that and just type in the text here, or you can redirect them. So maybe redirect them to a page so they can download some sort of ebook, or you can redirect them to a affiliate offer. So here you want to go ahead and put that. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at text. If you're going to redirect, be sure to click this box and then type in the URL. So thanks for your data. Okay, so once you're done here, go ahead and click on update. Okay, as you see, it updates right here. So we have a lead capture form, email, first name, and phone number. Now, if you don't want it to be inside the section, you can create its own section. So you just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and then you're going to click on plus, and you're going to hover over this and then click on the plus icon. Basically the same thing. So just scroll all the way down until you see lead capture form, and then go ahead and edit it. Once you've edited it the way you want, just go back. Okay, once you go back, you can see that we added it into section number 10. So it has its own section, but if you want it up above the tacos, like I said, tacos is section number 3. What we're going to do is just hover over the section number 10 right here, and we're just going to grab it and just drag it right up. So we're going to go all the way up to section 4. So I went a little too far. Okay, so here's section 3, and then we're going to drop it right below section 3, and you're going to see this kind of green line. That means you're ready to drop it and just let go. Now, if we look down, we just dropped in our email lead capture form below section 3 and above section 5, and here it is right here. All right, so once you're done putting that together, be sure to click on publish here on the top right. Once you click on publish page. Okay, now it's processing. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Congrats, you've successfully published. So now we have added in an email lead capture form into our SamCart page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an email capture form into your SamCart page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.